just got just miles, a lot of miles on it. It's not that bad, you know. I thought maybe this was making a lot of noise, but it probably was starting to make a little howl. Probably power on and off, you know. Just don't see any metal anywhere. No, nothing. The bearings here were a little, being able to pull the carrier out without having to pry it out. You know, it should have some pressure on it. Even with a lot of miles, it should have been tighter. But the diff is in decent shape. I'm going to clean a few things up and come back to it as far as we'll get it clean. I'm going to pull the, well, actually, I think I'm just going to pull the axle bearings out, axle seals, and leave the backing plates on and take this outside and start soaking it in degreaser and stuff like that, and then I will pressure wash it. But basically, we're just probably doing bearings. I don't like the pinion yoke, and with it being loose like that, I need to call the customer and ask them to bring me the dry shaft, make sure it's perfect, because that dry shaft, maybe something was making it come loose. Because, you know, you saw it, the nut came right off of there, and it should have had some pressure on there. Should have had, this yoke was loose on there. Pinion bearings were starting to gray up on the race. Maybe the dry shaft was making this come to it. The bearings, yes, on the carrier. The preload on that should be better, and it will be when we go back. We'll put all new bearings, axle seals, pinion yoke, seal, all that, yada, yada. And it'll be good. I like it. We're going to be okay on this. It's not going to take a big old ordeal to get it going. All right, well, y'all have a good evening. We're going to stop right here.